Rhyming roles, gender representations in early childhood education through critical discourse analysis. Nursery rhymes play a big part in how young children learn and grow. They help toddlers build language skills, creativity, and confidence while also teaching social values through fun and familiar songs. This study looked at 3 popular nursery rhymes: Old MacDonald Had a Farm, Mary Had a Little Lamb, and 5 Little Ducks, to understand the messages they send about gender. Using a method called critical discourse analysis, the rhymes were examined for hidden messages and patterns in the words and performances. The study found that while these songs help children connect their imaginations with real life, they also quietly promote traditional gender roles. For example, certain animals or roles are linked to specific genders, which can limit how children see themselves and others. Many adults may not realize these rhymes carry such messages. The study suggests that it's important to create more gender-neutral rhymes that encourage equal opportunities for boys and girls from a young age. If we ignore these early influences, we risk continuing gender inequality in future generations. Introduction. This study looks at how songs and rhymes used in early childhood development (ECD) help children learn and grow, but also how they might reinforce gender stereotypes. Songs are widely used with young children to build vocabulary, support emotional and social development, make learning routines easier, and create fun classroom environments. Music helps toddlers express themselves, develop confidence, and connect with others. It also supports early language, creativity, and social skills. However, some traditional rhymes may include messages that reflect outdated gender roles. This research focuses on analyzing popular ECD rhymes to see how they might promote ideas about what boys and girls should do or be like. By understanding these hidden messages, educators can make better choices about the songs they use. The goal is to support early learning in a way that encourages equality and helps children grow without being limited by gender stereotypes. Conclusions. This study examines how gender roles are shown in songs and rhymes used in early childhood development (ECD), using a method called critical discourse analysis (CDA). The research looked closely at the words and videos of popular rhymes to find hidden messages about gender. While rhymes are important for young children's learning and development, the study found that many still promote old-fashioned ideas, such as girls being shown as weak or dependent on boys. These messages, though often unnoticed by teachers or caregivers, can shape how toddlers understand what it means to be a boy or a girl. The study warns that if these gender stereotypes are not addressed early, they may continue to support unequal treatment of males and females in society. The findings call for more awareness and a review of the materials used in early education to help raise children in a more equal and fair environment. This important article is authored by the following scientists: Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to our channel BP International to watch more videos in the fields of science, technology and medicine.